In this video for SOLIDPLANT 2015, I'll be showing you one of the features of our spec creator, the specification print preview. This allows you to print out a hard copy of your specification for double checking and verification before finalizing all of your components. Here we have a specification open and completed, and I open the print preview simply by clicking the function button in the left-hand menu column. This opens the Select Header dialog box. Here we select the items that we want to appear in our printout. We simply double-click items in the left window, and they will appear in the right window. In this instance, I'll simply accept the defaults and select OK. This brings up our print preview dialog box. Here we can add rows and delete rows. We can add color to our text and other items. As you can see, it has all of the components of our specification. We can select the auto fit button to equally size all of our columns, and for sorting we can select to sort by component type or by our specification table. If I select by component type, here you will see we have all of our bolts in the specification grouped in one header at the top of the report. Likewise with our gaskets and other items. When you're completed, you simply hit the print preview button, and this pulls up your printer's print preview box where you can set things such as margins and number of copies. And here you can see it. When you're done, simply close out the dialog box, and there you have the specification print preview from SOLIDPLANT Spec Creator, SOLIDPLANT 2015.